Welcome everybody. We are expected to find the following area of the shaded region. So let me draw the figure. So we got two semicircles. Now the figure is not to scale. Now we are expected to find this area, right? So we need to find the area of the blue region. So how are we going to get that? Foremost, what I wish to do is there is an intersecting point. From there I'm going to drop a perpendicular. So this is going to be 90 degrees. Now from here to here it is 5 units. From the center to here it's going to be 5 units. So all the four sides are 5 units. So we are creating a square. Okay. We don't actually need to take the square into account, but that is just a side information. Now what I wish to do is I will mention this point as O, and I want to actually get this sector. So let this be A, let this point be B, and this point be C. So I want to get the sector OAD, area of sector OAD. So this is required. Now sector formula is given by theta over 360 pi times r squared. Now my r is 5 units here, right? 5 units. My theta, the sector angle. Now I already mentioned to you that there is a perpendicular and this is clearly going to be making 90 degrees. So we got 90 over 360 pi times 5 times 5. So 9 divides here 4 times. So you have 25 pi over 4 square units. So this is the sector area. Now you see this is a loop. So we can divide this loop into 2. If I divide this loop into 2, we create a triangle. We have a triangle. What is the triangle? AOD. This is the triangle we got. So area of the triangle is half times base times height. Now what is the base here? Base is 5 units. What is the height here? 5 units. So what you got? You got 25 over 2 square units, right? So required area. So this is going to be sector area minus triangle area. So sector area is 25 pi over 4. Triangle area is 25 over 2. I take 25 over 2 out. I get pi over 2 negative 1. So this is 25 over 2 pi negative 2 divided by 2, which is going to be equal to 25 of pi negative 2 over 4 square units. Now most importantly, this area that we have just got, that one just provides us this strip, this segment, right? Because from the sector area we are taking away the area of the triangle. So the outcome is going to give us only one strip, but we need this entire loop. So by symmetricity, the total area of the loop is given to be as 2 times 25 of pi negative 2 divided by 4. So 2 divides here 2 times, this is going to be 25 of pi negative 2 divided by 2 square units. So that's the solution for this question. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.